learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Welcome to another edition of Talk About Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。Hello，
大家好，我係 Josephine. And when Leo is here, we talk about the culture, traditions, idioms, sometimes music. 今天呢，是不是也有同样比较轻松的东西呢？可以来介绍，就是关于客家的一些文化。
好啊，那我就来讲一个童谣好了。
哦，童谣，好像没有教过
童谣比较有趣哈。
Let's go ahead and hear this one. OK， 我们来听听看这个童谣是怎么一回事。
好，我今天教这个哈，就是因为这一阵子哦，其实那个很多地方都有那个萤火虫。
That's right. There are a lot of fireflies during this time of the year.
对，所以我就来教这个火焰虫。
火焰虫，
就是萤火虫，
就是这叫火焰虫。
火焰虫，
对，就跟英文一样 ，fireflies， 火焰的虫。OK, it's a nursery rhyme about fireflies because it's abundant during this time of the year. 好，我们来听听。
火焰蟲節節從圖書下吊燈籠，燈籠講照書房，書房暗跌落坑，
就這樣，
對，就這樣。
Okay, it's all about fireflies, and I'm trying to pick up what Leo is saying here.
介绍这个哈，他是说那个萤火虫嘛，它停在那个桃花树下，然后就看起来就像小灯笼一样。那灯笼是不是有光？
对。
但是灯笼的光就会照到旁边嘛，可是萤火虫的光就很小，所以就只能照到一点点，所以你一不小心就摔倒了。
Okay, so this nursery rhyme is centered on the fireflies, and basically you see them gathered underneath the tree, and it kind of looks like a lantern, but yet it's not really that bright because the light emitting from these fireflies are kind of dim, so you got to be careful. Sometimes you may fall off a cliff if you don't watch your step carefully. 其实还蛮有趣的一个这个童谣就对了。
童谣。
其实有时候童谣呢，它也没有什么特别的逻辑，但是就是很好玩，然后可能会发生的一些事情。
对，而且它是比较注重是要押韵，让你好念。
It rhymes for sure. Okay, let's hear it one more time. 这次我要跟你一起念。
好，来，火焰蟲節節從，
火焰蟲節節從，
圖書下吊燈籠，
圖書下吊燈籠，
燈籠講照書房，
燈籠講照書房，
書房暗跌落坑，
書房暗跌落坑。So there you go, a very cute nursery rhyme about fireflies. And there you go, that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺是谁张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.